Hi guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, if today is your first time you're coming to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share our link for other people to benefit as well. And if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget as you are copy the link and share. And if you want to buy your skincare recipe or you want to buy organic product, you want to buy your cosmetic, make sure you call the number on the screen. That is the only number that will always get you the original recipe, original product. And moreover, again, we ship everywhere. We ship abroad. We ship to UK, Europe, Asia country, US, Canada, and other Africa country as well. Even in Nigeria, we ship everywhere. Anywhere, name it, we can ship. We can deliver to any part of Nigeria. And trust me, we don't fail. And our prices on our product, our items, they are all affordable. In a quick one, you can always search for us on Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and also on Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. And we have another YouTube also called AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So either of them you can search for, you'll get the rich stuff you need. You'll get the rich gist about your skincare routine as usual, trust me. And today, without wasting much time, we'll be looking at how you can get rid of your dark circle in your eye area. Yes, a lot of people, they be complaining, yes, AYA, please, how can we get rid of our dark circle in our eye area? You know, it could be anywhere, but let's talk about the eye area today. You know, you will be getting some eye creams and all that for those areas, but that would be way too more expensive on you. I could suggest for you the faster way you can get rid of those dark areas in there, which is your eye circle. You know, what would that be? You can use your retinol and your sunscreen and also your vitamin C. That could really help you. And how do you really use all this? And I will advise you and how that could be possible to save you money. You can use your retinol in the morning for the dark area, for the eye circle. Then in the evening, you can use your vitamin C serum for the same area. You all know. And aside that, I will not advise you to use them together. Because I know that after that, when I drop this, they will say, oh, can you use the two together? Because they want super effective stuff. Yes, I will tell you, don't use them because your skin could cause you another damage, because some people's skin is very effective. Very much effective. So please, to cause other damages, what I will tell you, or you can use your vitamin C in the morning for that area. Yes, use your vitamin C in the morning for that area. Then in the evening, you can use your retinol. You know, because I always tell people, when you know your skin is very sensitive to some reactions, please don't just follow YouTube things. First of all, observe it. Will this still work for me? Are you getting it? You see, oh, because my friend used the tool, he used the retinol at the same time and the vitamin C serum at the same time, so it worked for him. So would that work for you? Why not follow the instruction? Why not follow the instruction be given by the instructor? You know, so sometimes when you do all these things, you have to be careful. So aside that, don't forget, always use your sunscreen. You know, I advise you to use your sunscreen in the area. When you know that, when you use your vitamin C serum in the morning and you use your retinol in the evening, make sure every blessed day you use your sunscreen for that area. When you use your sunscreen, that will really help. You know, and by the way, when you're using your retinol is very good for wrinkles and those dark spots, you know, because actually when your face have those wrinkles, your face got speed somehow, and along the line you try to look for a product that you can use. You can count on retinol, because retinol, that is what it does outside the dark spot. So these are the things that you can use for your face. You know, you can use for the dark circle area, you know, and your eye area. Because if you want to go for eye cream If you want to go for eye cream, you can see that they are way too expensive. So you can save money by using all this I said. Trust me on this one. You can use all that to save you and to help you from wasting money. And then again, if you're looking for a place to buy skincare recipe, or you want to buy organic product, or you want to buy cosmetic, yes, you can count on us. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You can check on us on Instagram and check on us on Facebook as well. We ship everywhere: UK, Europe, US, Canada, Asia country, just name it. Even other Africa country as well. We ship everywhere, even in Nigeria. We deliver everywhere. Trust me, we deliver everywhere. And if you're looking for where you can get powerful oils for your cream, for your lotions, oils for your soap, industrial oils or career oils, you can always count on AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. When we talk about Malawi oil, we talk about Blema oil, you can count on us on those oil. So we've come to the end of the class. See you on our next video. Bye bye.